Hey lovelies, it's Ebony. Welcome back to my channel where I'm creating hair care confidence. And today we're going to be talking about how my hair is looking and feeling since using the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. Now I used this about 4 days ago with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is just one of my all-time favorite styling creams. It's really moisturizing and it has a good amount of hold. Now I know there might be a lot of people wondering, how do you do your hair throughout the week? What is your refresh process? Well, whenever I do a wash and go, I typically don't wear it down throughout the week because I just don't want my hair frizzing up and getting dry, rubbing up against my clothes and chairs or whatever. So I typically just wear it in like this loose bun. It's like a pineapple bun, but you know, I just stop halfway through and kind of tuck the curls underneath. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. I will do one. It'll be really quick, but I know some people might just want to see. So just let me know in the comments if you want to see that video. But yeah, I don't normally wear my hair down. It's just easier to keep it up. But, you know, I do occasionally wear it down or in a low ponytail, you know, with the curls exposed. So I say all that to say, for the past 4 days, I've pretty much been wearing my hair up in a bun. Now, let me just show you guys what it looks like. Now, I will warn you, I have a little bit of paint in my hair because I was painting yesterday and I should have covered my bun, but I thought I was going to be okay, but I guess I leaned into the wall and didn't realize, and getting just a little bit of paint in my hair, nothing too serious. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like after having been basically up in a bun for the past few days. You would think your hair would be perfectly curled because you keep it in a bun, but no, it still gets frizzy. It still does its own thing. Now how frizzy it's going to get depends on the actual product itself. Now just like in the review video where I had my points that I wanted to hit on my scoring system, I'm going to do the same thing for this video too, but this time it's only going to be 3 because, you know, the major stuff is already done. So I'm going to be talking about frizz, how my hair feels, and whether or not I would use this gel again. So first up, let's talk about frizz. That's probably one of the most important points on my list because if my hair gets frizzy too fast, it's not likely that I'm going to use the product again because it takes a long time to do my hair, and if it's going to be a lot of frizz after just a day or a few days, there's no point in me going through all that work just to have to redo my hair sooner than I want. So, this level of frizz is okay. This part of my hair, you can kind of see the paint a little bit, but this part of my hair gets frizzy anyway. I don't know why. It's like the hair in the front, like on top. I guess because maybe I touch that part the most, which is another reason why I keep my hair up, because I touch it so much that, you know, it just disturbs the hair, the cuticles, all that stuff. So I try to just keep it tucked away. But yeah, I mean, this is an okay level of frizz. This is day 4. We're going to be going into day 5 tomorrow. And if I had to go somewhere and I didn't want to wear my hair down, I mean, if I had to go somewhere and I didn't want to wear my hair up, I could wear this hair down. You can see the paint. I tried getting the paint out, but it was just a little too difficult, and I didn't want to like do too much to my hair because I knew I was going to do this follow-up video, so I didn't want to come on here and be like, yeah, it's so frizzy, so frizzy. Meanwhile, I was fighting with my hair trying to get the paint out, so I just left it in because I want to give this gel a fair shot. Yeah, this isn't that bad. This frizz is okay. I'm okay with this frizz. It's not too bad. I can re-wet some of this and bring back to life some of the areas that are kind of frizzy and limp. I feel like I could easily do that. Now, TGIN, when they sent me the gel, they also sent me this Rose Water Curl Refresher. I don't normally use curl refreshers, but I'm going to try this one today because why not? And plus, you know, when you don't do something for a very long time, at least for me, I start to get curious, like, am I missing out on something? Should I revisit it and try it? Because maybe I might like it and be like, oh my gosh, I've just been doing this the entire time. Maybe I just haven't found the right one. So this curl refresher says it refreshes overworked curls, kinks and waves, extends the life of your curls without shampooing, enhances shine and reduces frizz, leaves hair soft, moisturized, and manageable. Lightly mist damp or dry hair, leave in and style as usual. So let's go ahead and try that. Curl refreshers I thought were supposed to be like a mist. This is kind of coming out in the stream, and I feel like that's not really all that helpful. I feel like if I gotta put it in my hands first and then rub it through, what's the point? I just use my spray water. I'll just use my spray bottle with water and add whatever gel I need to add and be done. Oh, as far as how my hair feels, it doesn't feel super dry. I don't know, day 4, this is pretty normal for my hair to feel how it feels right now. It feels really good back here. These curls always, I guess because they're in the back and then they're really tucked in the bun, they always feel the best. Now back to the curl refresher. It kind of leaves a little bit of a film on my hands, which makes me think it might leave a little bit of a film on my hair. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna skip this one today. I tried to give it a shot. I wanted to use a curl refresher, but whatever. I'm gonna first do my edges because they're the easiest and most fun to do. So I'll spray with a little water, and I'll take the TGIN gel to do my edges with, because if you guys saw in my review video, this stuff was really good for my edges. Spraying the water in there already reactivated gel a little bit. Alright, just for good measure, I'm gonna take a little bit of Pattern Beauty Edge Control. I don't know why I'm showing y'all this, you can't even see it. When I used this last time in the video where I reviewed the gel, it didn't work that well, but we'll see. I have a feeling it's gonna work today. There's something about this gel right here, it just really holds my hair in place. Unlike a lot of other edge controls that I like, or that I thought I would like, they seem to have just a little bit too much oil in there, and my hair ends up shifting before I'm even up from this makeup table. See, I knew it was gonna work. I think maybe my hair, maybe it was just too damp before, I don't know. I'm gonna have to use this gel and really play around with my edges, because my edges have never been this manipulatable. No, that's probably not even a word, but they're never this easy to manipulate with regular edge control gel. I'm gonna use this TGIN to do some things, because this is cute. This is real cute. This looks really good to me. Like, I don't really care so much about, you know, this frizz or whatever, because at the end of the day, curly hair is just frizzy. That's just the nature of it. This is how it's gonna be, and I'm not gonna do a whole lot of work to fight it. Now, I do wish I had like a shine spray or something. Now, moving on to the last point, would I use this gel again? I absolutely would. Someone put in the comments last video that maybe this gel would have worked the way I wanted it to, had I not used the Curl Enhancing Smoothie underneath. Had me thinking maybe, you know, the oils in here maybe broke up the gel a little bit in a way that wouldn't have happened if I hadn't used the cream underneath it. But I just feel like I can't use a gel without a cream. It just feels so wrong. But yeah, maybe I will try it all by itself, because this wasn't a drying gel at all. It felt really good, and I don't know, maybe I'll try it and see. Now, will I grab this gel first over like others? No, I will definitely go to my Old Faithfuls first, hands down, every time. But if this is all that's left and I'm out of my other stuff, then yeah, I will use this before going out and buying the others, you know. Like, this is a good backup is what I'm trying to say. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Let me know if you like me doing follow-up videos with my hair product review videos, because I can't remember who suggested it. Oh, Val. Hey, girl. She suggested that I do a follow-up video, which I'm really happy about, because that was a good idea. So if you guys think it's a good idea too, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm trying to get my channel back cranking out good content again. And I think a follow-up video for any product review that I do, a good idea. I feel like it's worth the effort because I would want to know, you know, what someone thought about the product 4 or 5 days later. But anyways, that's gonna be it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching.